Hello, my name's Jenny and I'm a youth worker at Western Facing Galloway Council. Last week we uploaded our very first video, which was like a simple introduction to British Sign Language. This week we're going to be teaching the alphabet. If you go onto the Dumfries and Galloway Youth Work page on Facebook, you'll be able to find all the videos. Every week we'll be uploading a brand new one. So here's a second video, which is the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Thank you so much for watching and for sharing with your friends and family. Please send all your videos of you practicing. We absolutely love seeing them, and we'll see you next week for another one. Bye!